Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel English with Anjali. So friends, in today's video, I'm going to discuss about how you can learn English without any partner. Yes, it is always asked by me that can I learn this language without joining any spoken classes? Or can I have no partner, so how can I learn this language without anyone? So friends, in today's video, I'm going to discuss about how you can learn this language without joining any spoken classes. Because I am the live example before you, because I have learned this language without joining any coaching classes. Yes, without spending any single penny, I have learned this language. So if I can, then of course you can. So okay, first of all, I would like to say that if you want to learn this language, then you will have to dedicate towards it. Yes. And secondly, how you can learn this language? If you don't have any partner, then how you can learn this language? So, if you are the one who want to speak in English and really want to speak in English, then what you can do? And one more question is here that I have no such kind of environment where people speak in English. So, I think I cannot. If you are the one who are thinking like this, if you have the such kind of perception, then you need to change your perception because you can learn this language without any partner. First of all, you need to create the environment like English environment. If you are the one who are thinking that how I can learn this language because where I am, where nobody is speaking English. If you are the one who are thinking where I am, where nobody is speaking English, so how I can create environment? Like if you are thinking like this, then I would say if you want to speak English, then you will have to create the environment for you. And how you can? I know it is easier said than done, but you will have to create the environment for you, for yourself, and how you can create. Like when I was a beginner, then I always used to think that I have no such kind of environment where people speak in English. Then how I can learn this language alone because I have no partner. So it is not possible. It was my mentality that I cannot speak English. So what actually I did? I created I created the environment for speaking English. And how? How did I do? First of all, when I used to wake up in the morning, then that I decided that what I have to do. So I divided the time that after doing this, I have to learn this language and how much time I have to give for listening or writing or speaking. So first you need to change your, if you don't have any schedule or discipline, then you will have to make your schedule for yourself. And it is most important. If you want to learn this language, then discipline is most important. Yes, of course. If you have decided, if you have done your mind makeup that of course you are going to learn this language, so you have to immerse yourself to learn this language. You need to change your attitude towards learning this language. First, you need to create your own environment. If you are watching anything like any videos, then you need to change your Hindi and you have to shift your all videos into English. Like if you are watching movie, then just watch English movies, listen English podcast, and this is your input, not output. And if you are watching your videos or anything, then just try to repeat it. Yes, you have to speak aloud here, like you have to speak from your mouth. And if you are doing this, then of course you're gonna see the change in yourself. No, it is a hard task because if here you are speaking, you are listening, you are watching anything in Hindi, and now suddenly you have to shift it into English, then it might, I know, it might be possible that you are going to feel painful. It's a painful things, I know. You have to do everything from yourself. Like if you are one who want to speak in English without joining any spoken classes, because you know what, it is no it is not in coaching classes, it is not necessary that after 6 to 1 year you are going to speak this language fluently. So what is the need of spending and wasting rupees. Like, so if you want to speak a language without spending any single penny, then this is the most important thing, that you need to change your perception that how you can learn English without joining any spoken classes. Because many of you, I know, always think that it is not possible that you can learn this language without spending any single penny at home. You can learn this language at home. You always think this is not possible, but I would say, of course, it is possible. I am the live example before you. So, you have to create your own environment, and of course, you can create. After creating this environment, like here you are listening everything in English, and if you are doing this, then you will see the changes gradually. It will change, not drastic change you will see, and of course gradually you will see the change, and of course one day you will see a drastic change, but it will not happen in a single day. So if you are doing this a couple of days, then of course you will see the changes. And you know what, I am the live example. When I used to learn this language, when I was a beginner, then I used to do like this. I have created my own environment for English speaking, and I used to listen everything in English when I had decided that I have to learn this language. So I'm saying that you have to create your own environment. I used to I used to catch one videos, and I used to turn on the subtitles, and I always say that you have to turn on the subtitles, because in the beginning it is most important, because if you are not getting every points, then you need to just note down in your copy, and after that, after listening, you can search on Google that what is the meaning of this proper sentences as proper word. So it will help a lot. So I used to just do these kind of things. Then I always, or you can just take screenshots. So you will not believe that my phone storage wall is full with screenshots. Like, I used to always watch the movies or anything in English. Then when I didn't get the points, then I used to take the screenshot, and after that I used to just search on the Google, and found I used to find the proper meaning. So you need to do this. Okay, this is the first thing, that you are taking just input. Now it's turn to give the output. Now after watching this, what you have to do, you have to just speak, no matter how much mistakes you are doing, but you need to change your perception. Like, you cannot wait for perfect time, because if you are thinking that I will learn all the grammar rules, or I will know that how to speak English, after learning all the things I'm gonna speak, because after that I will not make the mistake. So this is not the right things. I know it is quite peculiar that if you are speaking, then you will make lots of mistake, and you will just get frustrated that what I'm doing this, I'm not speaking well, so I should not speak. So no, you don't have to wait for proper time. And you know what? If you just want to speak English, then you need to just speak in English without, because there is no any other option. If you are watching so many people that how to learn English, if you are thinking that what is the tips and tricks by using that I can be a fluent English speaker, then tips and tricks will not help. Either you are speaking or you are just thinking. It depends on you. So even though in starting I was not able to speak English, I know, but I used to always speak. I don't know what I used to speak, but I still remember that I used to just uh, read the subtitles, and I used to speak, so that my mouth can get habitual of this, that how to pronunciate the words, and how to pronunciate the critical words. So I used to do this. So you know what, if you are thinking that it is going to take too much time, then I would say, of course it will take, because it is not our mother tongue. So how did we learn Hindi? By listening? Yes. Or we are, uh, if you are thinking that after watching so many videos, after learning all the grammar rules I'm going to speak, then how did you learn Hindi? By listening, na? Yes. And we, in the starting, when we are just speaking, then Hindi, then what we did we learn all the grammar rules of Hindi? No. By listening, we used to speak. So by this method, you have to apply on English. I know you will say that English is hard, but Hindi is not hard. See, nothing is hard if you are thinking that if you have to do and if you have decided, then nothing is hard for you.